Okay guys, it's about to happen. We are departing this morning in the Big Ugly Rolling Turd. We are headed towards Caledonia, Mississippi. It's a pretty special place and we're going to be sharing it with you. However, I don't think I'm going to be doing a whole lot of filming of the actual rolling down the road sections today. You know, I'm probably going to get a little more creative with the cinematic shots and such as that, but today I'm actually quite scared for my life. I am not very comfortable driving this behemoth down the road just yet, but I think the comfort will come with experience. But for now, we're just going to focus on trying to get there in one piece. I think my mood at the moment could be described as, what is the word? Oh yeah. I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. You know, again, as I've alluded to in some of our other videos, I am happy to make this happen for the sake of my girls. It's going to be an amazing experience, but as you know, I would much rather be on a sailboat, headed somewhere warm. This is our storage room where we keep all of our stuff when we are traveling. One little detail I just really want to point out for my sake is 90% of what you see in here is Tambi's. 9% of it is Molly's, and of course the other 1%, that would be mine. But yeah, this is where I keep our stuff. You can see the dinghy tucked away back there. Really, really sad to be leaving this behind. A part of me really wants to take it with us, but I think the reality of the situation is it would see very little use. Got our outboard motors there, this one, that one. But yeah, this is our little storage room. Okay, well, that's enough of that. There we go. All right, here's something I wanted to show you. You see this piece of paper with all these weights and things on it? Microwave water. You see microwave has a minus sign, so this is basically where we deducted and added and tracked the weight that we have going into and from the RV, because you know you have to be very mindful that you don't overload the Big Ugly Rolling Turd or bad things can happen. So this is our little weigh station. We got the scale there, and you know, I wish I could show it to you in action, but basically Tambi would weigh herself, and then she would pick up some object that she wanted to weigh, then she would weigh herself and the object, and then do the math and track it on here. So as of right now, we are underweight by a healthy margin for the RV. So that's really good. It's all right. It's all right. We're gonna miss you too. You're a good girl. Hello, ladies.
Hi.
And how are you guys doing today?
Wonderful. Really excited.
Really excited, ready to go.
What are you really excited about?
Getting on the road.
On the road again.
Yeah.
Just can't wait to get on the road for the first time. And the Big Rolling Turd. It's gonna be horrible. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be good. All right, let's roll, ladies.
Yes.
All right, just a quick little stop here right in front of the house. Got the car on the dolly. We have the straps on the tires. I double checked the tire pressure. So I think we're ready to go. I'll make some video of doing all this stuff and show you how to do it just as soon as we learn how to do it. We're still trying to figure all this stuff out. It's like, man, I know this is nothing for a lot of people, but this feels like a big old train of stuff that's going to be going down the road. Yep, but I think we are ready to roll now.
All right.
Welcome aboard the good ship Turd.
Woohoo!
Today we will be going from Toccoa, Georgia to somewhere maybe around the Georgia-Alabama line. Isn't that the name of a country band? We will be driving from east to west with a northerly breeze. It should be a nice beam reach on a starboard tack. I'm gonna have to cut that out, I think. the adventure begins. I can barely contain myself.
1 hour later.
All right, we are at our first gas station. We just got gas. This is actually the first time we've completely filled up this beast, so it's going to be interesting to see how many miles per gallon it gets, or possibly how many gallons per mile. I don't know. Really have no idea, but we're going to find out. All right, here we are. This is our first stop ever, aside from the driveway, and we are at a Bass Pro Shop. It's basically going to be a 2-day trip to get to Columbus, Mississippi. Normally it would only take about 5 hours by car, but it's taking us quite longer in this thing. So yeah, this is our first stop, and let me tell you one thing that I learned so far about this RV, and it is that this chair is horrible. Holy moly, it looks like it would be pretty comfortable and inviting and soft and padded and cushy and all that stuff, but it's not. It is diabolical. So that's got to change. I don't know how it's going to change, but it's going to change. I just want to talk about today for a minute, because this is kind of a special day, and it really wasn't too bad. We're still alive. When we got on the other side of Atlanta, my hands were actually kind of cramped up from squeezing the steering wheel so tightly.
And it's really weird to know that the car is being towed behind us, but we can't see it.
I can see the fender for the trailer, and the car, you're just kind of hoping it's still back there. It's chained to the trailer, so if the car were to come off the trailer, I'm pretty sure we would know about it.
Yeah.
But it's kind of odd, just like hoping that it's still back there, not being able to see it. Molly, how'd you do today?
Good.
Molly sits right here where Tabby is. That's where her seatbelt is. It went pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I think one thing we need to do is give you some kind of a cup holder, right? We'll figure it out. I mean, all in all, we got here. We drove for
We got here.
4 hours or something. We didn't
Yeah.
kill ourselves. We didn't kill anybody else. I'm pretty sure we arrived with the same number of parts that we left with. All right, ladies, wrap this up.
It was a great day, our first day, and tomorrow is going to be even better. Don't have to go through Atlanta traffic.
Yep, that is faux show.
Yep, and we'll be at our final destination tomorrow.
Yay.
Yeah. Caledonia, Mississippi. That's where we're headed.
Yep.
All right,
My mom. She misses us already.
say hi.
Hello?
All right, we just filled up the beast after tracking the mileage, so we are going to see how many miles per gallon or gallons per mile this thing burns. Okay, so crap, I forgot what it was. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, yeah. Okay, so 305 divided by 41.18 gallons. Actually, not super horrible. 7.4 miles per gallon is what we got. And it was pretty hilly. You know, we've been driving on some pretty hilly interstates and back roads. I was thinking anything better than 5 I was going to be happy with. So that's really not super duper horrible for this thing, I think.
Yeah.
But anyways, in case you were curious, there it is. 7.4, folks. That is what we are dealing with. Ouch. We have a new t-shirt for sale. You can wear it at funerals, weddings, bar mitzvahs, graduations, and so much more. It is available for 2 weeks only, and then that's it. So buy your t-shirt now. Wouldn't you rather be sailing?